Hello friends, this is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a soup for those people who want to reduce their weight. So whenever you're hungry, make this soup and drink it. So I'll show you how I make this. This is the carrot. This is about 250 grams of carrot cut into small pieces like this, and then I have another 250 grams of broccoli and cut into small pieces like this. Then I have this much butter, and I've got half a teaspoon, less than half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then I have about less than half of onions, which I've cut into very small pieces like this. And then I've got about 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to cut into small pieces. And I've got a small piece of ginger cut into, shredded into small pieces. Then I'm going to use a cube of Knorr chicken stock. This is Knorr chicken stock. Now, because it's already salty, I'm not going to use any salt. If you feel like after cooking it, if you need some salt, you can add a little bit of salt. And then for the taste, I'll add less than half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And then to top it up, I have a little bit of parsley. I'm going to cut into small pieces and spread it on the top. Okay, so let's see how we make it. These were the ingredients, and I'll show you how I'm going to make it. Okay, I've opened the chicken stock. There they are, 2 pieces, and put it in this cup. And I'm going to put some hot water on top of it to dissolve it, about nearly full up, and I'm going to stir it to dissolve it in the hot water. Now I'm going to cut the garlic into small pieces. I've cut the garlic into small pieces, so I'm going to collect it here. And now I'm going to cut the parsley into small pieces. I've cut the parsley into small pieces. You can also use cilantro or green coriander if you wish. So I'm going to collect it here in this container like this. And now I'm going to cut this broccoli into small pieces like this. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking. First I put the flame on, and then I will put the butter and let the butter melt. When the butter melts, then I'm going to put in the cumin seeds. You can see the butter is melting, and I'm going to put the cumin seeds now for flavor. And then I'm going to put in the butter is melted completely, the cumin seeds is giving a nice aroma. So I'm going to put in the garlic, chopped garlic, okay, and ginger, that's chopped ginger as well. So I'm going to put both of them together. I'm going to mix them, saute them a little, just for about a few seconds. And then I'm going to put in the onions. Okay, you don't want to burn the garlic. Now I'm going to put in the onion. So these are the onions. Just nicely. And saute the onion. Make sure you don't burn the onion, just saute them. You don't even need them to be brown. This much is enough. Okay. Now I'm going to put the black pepper powder. This is for the flavor. I'm not going to put any other spices in it. That's all. Now, going to put in the carrots. So these are the carrots, about 250 grams. Stir them. And then you can add the broccoli. So the broccoli is also gone in there, right? Just for about a few minutes, a minute or two. Stir them quite non-stop. Now the stock that I had made, this was the stock that I made for the chicken stock. I'm going to put it, all of it in there. Okay. And then I need to put in a little bit of more hot water in it. Now let's bring it to boil. It has started boiling. I'm going to put in a bit more hot water so that the water covers it. So this much water is almost covered the vegetables. And I'm going to leave it on a slow fire to simmer and let it go tender. So I'm going to cover it now and on low fire. Okay, now I will leave it for about 20 minutes on very low fire to simmer. 20 minutes. Okay. I'll come back after 20 minutes. It's been now 20 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the fire, open the lid, the cover, and then I'll check the broccoli is all tender and the carrots are still, let me check, are they cooked or they raw? Yeah, the carrots are also ready. So let me taste a little bit of it. Very tasty. Okay, now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl to cool it down. So I'm going to transfer this into this bowl. And then I will let it cool down for about 4-5 minutes. And after that, I'm going to blend it with this hand blender. Okay, this one. So I'll come back after about 5 minutes. I better put the timer first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll see you after 5 minutes. Okay, here are the ingredients, and they have cooled down a little bit. It's not very cold, but it's quite warm. And now I'm going to blend it with this hand blender, like this. Now it's become a thick soup. Now if you want, you can add more water to it, or if you want, just drink it like that. So I'm going to taste it now and see how does it taste. Okay, I'll take a spoon. Very, 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 very tasty. Very good. That's great. Now I'm going to spread the parsley on it. Okay, and I've got a lot of parsley here. So I'm going to write down in this description what are the benefits of broccoli and the benefits of carrots, and how you too can benefit by these. Let me have a look again. Yes, it's very good, very tasty. Okay, now I have transferred it into this dish, and now I'm going to take out to serve. And you serve like this, and you serve on the other one as well. This one. And this is the spoon. So this is how you serve your friends, your family members, and also it's extremely healthy and very good for your weight loss. You can store this into a jar in the fridge for about 2 or 3 days. It won't go bad, and whenever you're hungry, just eat it like this with this spoon. Very good. And if you feel that the salt is a little bit less, then you can top it up with the little salt. Okay, now do subscribe to my channel, and wish you all the best, and see you later. Bye bye.